Well, it's Joanne. I wanted to showcase what I think is the ultimate nail care organizer that's going to meet your daily needs. It's compact and it's spacious. Now, I keep mine displayed in a closet with my other display items. I think it's beautiful to go along with my decorative style, but it's organized and easy to access. It has the handle for easy carrying. It's travel ready. It's easy to clean. It has the bottom zipper holds up to 30 polishes. So I have my liquid polishes in here, and I also have my powdered polishes. So it carries both of those, and then the applicator for doing the powdered polish system. Now up top it has another zipper compartment that allows for larger items. You can put your UV lamp in here. I don't use a UV lamp, but I do need storage for my bowl for removing my powdered polish. And I have an extra for holding my polishes whenever it's getting low. I have my pads for polish remover. I have the actual polish remover bottles in here. I have my nail files in here. So you could store multiple things in here. It's got the zipper for extra items that you have for your nail systems and needs. So like I said, it fits all your nail essential needs. It holds your polishes, your UV lamp, your brushes, your files, your glitter containers as you saw. It features the dividers so you can move the divider around. It keeps your nail tools stylishly organized at home or on the go. I love it.